Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're like me, you know that a good oral care routine is just as important as a skincare routine. But let's face it, flossing with traditional string can be, let's say, less than glamorous. So today, we're looking at a product that's here to elevate your dental hygiene game. Introducing the HealthSmart Compact Cordless Water Flosser. This nifty little tool promises to help you dislodge food particles, clean your braces, crowns, and even your tongue, all with 6 pulsating modes and a sleek, portable design. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. The HealthSmart Cordless Water Flosser comes with everything you need for a deep, customizable clean. It includes 4 specialized nozzles, including one for braces, one for periodontal health, a standard nozzle for daily use, and a tip for tongue cleaning. It features 6 different pulsating modes, so you can adjust the intensity based on your needs. Whether you're cleaning around dental work, gently massaging your gums, or freshening up your breath, this device seems to cover all the bases. With a 250 ml water tank and a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, this water flosser offers enough power for a thorough cleaning session. And the cherry on top? It's fully waterproof, so you can even take it in the shower. Plus, the compact design makes it easy to bring along when you travel, and it's charged with a Type-C USB for convenience. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. I've been using it for a little over a week, and I'm honestly impressed with how much easier it makes flossing. The HealthSmart Cordless Water Flosser is super easy to use. Just fill the tank, select your mode, and you're good to go. The pulsating power was a bit surprising at first, especially in the higher modes, but the different settings really let you customize your experience. I've got braces, so I'm always looking for products that can reach those hard-to-clean spots, and this flosser definitely delivered. The specialized nozzle for braces was a game changer, and I noticed a significant difference in how clean my teeth felt, especially in the areas around my brackets. The tongue cleaning tip also helped freshen my breath, which is always a plus. On the flip side, I did find that the water tank is a little smaller than I'd like. Depending on how high you set the pulsation mode, you may need to refill it halfway through a cleaning session. But it's really not a huge issue, especially since the device is so compact and easy to handle. It's also a little on the noisy side, so if you're someone who needs quiet, this might be something to keep in mind. Now let's talk value. At first glance, the price might seem a little steep for a water flosser, but considering all the features it offers, like the customizable modes, waterproof design, and travel-friendly size, it's a solid investment in your oral health. The inclusion of 4 nozzles and the rechargeable battery just adds to the overall value, especially when you compare it to other options in the market. Is it worth the money? If you're looking for a high-performance, portable water flosser that delivers versatility and ease of use, I'd say yes. If you're used to a more basic flosser, or just looking for a quick, simple tool, you might want to look for something a bit more budget-friendly. Now, if you're eyeing alternatives, there are definitely other water flossers on the market that offer similar features. Some may come at a lower price point, but might lack the same level of customization or water tank capacity. It's all about finding the right balance for your needs, whether it's a smaller, budget-friendly model or one with more power and features. One thing I want to mention is that if you ever need customer support, the HealthSmart brand has a solid reputation for responsiveness. I haven't had to contact them personally, but reviews suggest they're pretty reliable if you ever run into an issue. So, let's wrap things up. The HealthSmart Compact Cordless Water Flosser is a high-performing, versatile product that's great for anyone with braces, crowns, or just looking for a more efficient way to floss. While it does have a few minor downsides, like the smaller tank and noise, the overall performance and value make it a worthwhile investment. If you're serious about your oral health and want a product that can keep up, this one's definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in giving this water flosser a try, check out the link in the comments below. And hey, if you've tried it already, let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.